Today I'm going to make a wireframe mockup using Google Drive instead of Adobe Illustrator. Basically produce exactly the same kind of wireframe that I could produce using Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or some other tool using Google Drive, which is marvelously free. To start, I'm going to click on New, and from the little pull-down menu that says More, I'm going to click Google Drawings. Once I get my drawing page opened up, I'm going to name it and call it wireframe underscore 2. And I'm pretty much going to do this exactly the way I would in any other drawing program. I'm going to use the shape tools to choose different shapes and basically plan a layout, deciding what shapes are going to be where. The default color that Google Docs puts into any shape that I draw is this kind of boring light blue. I'm going to change that because I want this to be black and white. And clicking on that little fill color palette, this is probably the only time that I'm not going to click on the little custom tab and create my own colors or enter in my own numbers. It's perfectly fine if I'm just doing something in black and white to select the little white box that's over here. So like Illustrator, if I choose my select tool and hold down my Alt or Option key, I can duplicate shapes very quickly. To set up header area, navigation, main content area, and footer. And then I can use the text box tool to just make the text notations. I'm going to set my caps lock key. I'm going to spell the word header correctly this time. I can select text, use the alignment tools, make sure everything's aligned center. And again, in the name of speed and getting things done quickly, if I hold down my Alt or Option key and click and drag, I can use the little smart guides to help me line things up. And one more over here. Okay, then I can just double click in each box and change out the word header in there so that it pertains to the particular section that I've stuck it into. And there you have it. Basic wireframe with no fancy tools. If I want to send this to a client, or if I want a student to send it to me, what I usually do is click on the share button and I can enter in anybody's email address that I would like to send this to.